Hi, I'm Sean Fawcett from East Coast Yacht Sales, and today I'm going to take you on a walkthrough tour of this Islander 41 Freeport ketch. This boat was built in 1975, a major upgrade in 2008, and then another major upgrade in 2014. Of the Freeport 41 ketches that Islander built in the 1970s, this is one of only 2 or 3 that were built as a pilot house ketch. This boat is a remarkable example of a distance cruiser or a liveaboard sailboat. Impeccably maintained and continually updated, the boat is a remarkable example of the Islander Freeport. Starting in the bow, you'll see there's a generous bow pulpit. The boat is rigged as a staysail ketch, so it has both a jib and a staysail, which is tremendous for offshore sailing, where the winds can get rather rough. On the bow pulpit, the boat has roller furling gear for both the jib and the staysail by Harken. Has a remarkable storage capacity for 3 anchors in the pulpit, and on the foredeck, a manual windlass. Plenty of open deck on the foredeck, and a single spreader mast. Plenty of light down below is provided by the big windows in the main salon, as well as the pilot house. Walking down the side decks, there's plenty of visibility from the main salon as well as from the pilot house itself. The coach roof top provides plenty of space to lounge or take in the sun, and the pilot house roof provides plenty of room for storing windsurfers, paddle boards, or other toys. Note the forward raked windshield reduces reflection and glare at night. It also assists in shedding water during heavy spray conditions. The side decks are generously wide for easy access from bow to stern. On the stern deck, davits allow dinghy storage, which is essential in long-distance cruising. Winches, as well as all furling gear, is by Harken, a top name brand. Entering the boat, we enter into the pilot house with the helm, electronics, good visibility on all sides. From the pilot house, down a few steps to the galley. Galley to port. Main salon and dining table to starboard. Moving forward, we enter the forward stateroom with a V-berth. Plenty of storage. Ample headroom. And all lighting in the boat was replaced with efficient yet bright LED lighting. The forward head features a vanity with new Corian countertops, large vanity mirror, and plenty of storage. The dining table in the main salon can easily seat 6. Galley countertops are all new. The boat has a full-size refrigerator, dishwasher, microwave oven, and range. Moving aft from the galley, and we enter the master stateroom with a queen-size double berth, more storage, ample lighting, full headroom throughout. Vanity, seat with a toilet under, a full-size shower, and of course, a tub. So there you go. That's more Grace, a 1975 Islander 41 Freeport pilot house ketch. This boat represents a tremendous value for somebody who's interested in long-distance cruising or a liveaboard. Please give us a call at East Coast Yacht Sales, www.eCYS.com. Looking forward to hearing from you soon.